Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, draw a frequency polygon representing the following data, and we have to represent age group in years and number of students. Okay, so to draw the frequency polygon, let us draw first x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so on x-axis, let us show the age group. So 0 to 1, 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and so on. Okay, and on y-axis, show number of students. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and so on. Now, this is number of students. And here age group in years. Now here we can observe that firstly in 9 to 13, it means here 9 will be here, so 9 to 13, 13 will be here. In 9 to 13, number of students are 8. So we can draw, suppose this is 8, means near to 10. So in 9 to 13, there are 8 number of students. Then in 14, means from here, 14 to 18, suppose 18 is here. In 14 to 18, there are 56 number of students, means suppose here it is 56. Okay, so we can draw like this. And it is 14 to 18. So 14 to 18. (14 to 18) will be okay. Then from 19 to 23, 23 will be here. There are 66 number of students, means suppose here it is 66. So okay, then now we can join this. Suppose this is point A, that is before 9 to 13. Suppose this is A, then this is point B, this is middle one C, this is D, and suppose this is E. Join this, the graph will be like this: C, then D, and then E. So our frequency polygon will be represented like this.